Understanding Happy Mother's Day, a tribute to mothers worldwide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very special phrase, Happy Mother's Day. This phrase is more than just a greeting. It's a way to express our gratitude and love towards our mothers. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, understanding the cultural and emotional weight of this phrase is key. Let's dive in. Happy Mother's Day is a phrase used to celebrate and honor mothers and mother figures worldwide. It is said on Mother's Day, a specific day dedicated to appreciating all the efforts, sacrifices, and love that mothers give to their children and families. This day varies in date around the globe, but it is most commonly observed on the second Sunday of May in many countries. Mother's Day is a tradition that has roots in ancient festivals and modern history. It officially became a recognized holiday in the early 20th century, thanks to the efforts of Anna Jarvis in the United States. Jarvis campaigned for a day to honor mothers after the death of her own mother, leading to the first official Mother's Day celebration in 1908. The day is significant because it acknowledges the vital role mothers play in society and in the lives of their children. Saying, Happy Mother's Day, is a simple yet powerful way to show your mom or mother figure that you appreciate her. This phrase can be used in various contexts. In person, as a direct greeting. In a card or letter, often accompanied by a personal message. Via social media or text messages, to reach mothers who are far away. It's also common to accompany the greeting with gifts, flowers, or acts of kindness to further show your appreciation. While Happy Mother's Day is widely understood, the way the day is celebrated can vary greatly from one culture to another. Some countries have unique traditions, special ceremonies, or festivals that take place on Mother's Day. Learning about these differences can enrich your understanding of the phrase and how it's celebrated around the world. Happy Mother's Day is a phrase that carries love, respect, and gratitude. It's a universal way to acknowledge the endless contributions of mothers and mother figures. We hope this video has helped you understand the importance of Mother's Day and how to use this special phrase in English. Remember, expressing love and gratitude towards your mother can be done in many languages, but the emotions behind it are understood universally. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.